Hey there, it's Melissa. I am here with the Aldi sneak peek for the weeks of April 2nd through April 8th. As you know, Aldi's made some changes to the way that we see stuff online, so now I'm just trying to organize it and put it all into one place to make it a little bit easier. And let me tell you, this week is huge. There is so much stuff this week, so get ready. We've got these ladies premium joggers in the 3 different colors. We've got these children's character sock sets. They are super cute. We got the kids' character umbrellas. We have the kids' Easter pajama sets. Those are adorable. We have these ladies' denim maxi skirts. These look so awesome. I cannot wait to see some of you ladies modeling it in the groups. Make sure you do it, please. We have these Easter board books, super cute. We have these tiny cuddles for Easter. Those are adorable. We have the Fisher-Price toddler toys, 2 packs. And those are kind of the groups that you have there. We have these Hot Wheel cars. Look how cool these are. Color shifters. We got the Bluey and Friends plush toys. Adorable. We've got the Bluey mini character toys. I don't know, my niece and nephew love Bluey, so I'm sure you parents are also dealing with the love. We got some more Bluey stuff there I just missed. We got this Easter, what are these? Easter chickadoos. We got the Peeps bubble wands. Those are adorable. I love all these alternative options for the Easter basket besides candy, like these Play-Doh eggs. How cool is that? We got the Pokemon tin poke balls. Those are super cool. We have these micro mallow squishmallows blind pack, so I guess it's a surprise. We got the squishmallows. What is this? Play sets. Oh, super cute. We got these booty shaking pups. I don't know, they sound adorable. These smashers, those are super cool. Absolutely. I guess those are some small ones, though. We have these character rugs. Those are adorable. We have the spring tray objects, also adorable. We have the 2 pack on the outdoor toss pillows. Really nice. We have the chenille accent mat medallions. What are these? Oh, I guess they're rugs. Yes, they're rugs. Sorry. We have some more rugs. These are really nice. These, I guess, are outdoor, indoor, I imagine. We have the bottle brushes on the carrots. These are super cute. Bottle brush decor is so cute. We have the colored glass eggs. Those are beautiful. We have the ceramic bunnies that light up inside. Absolutely adorable. We have some LED string lights. The 2-tier tray. So if you don't have your tray yet, now is the time to get it because those spring tray objects are adorable. We got some lanterns. Those are really pretty cool. Lanterns on stand. I'm a little, well, just ignore me today. I'm overall confused. We got the mini waffle makers. We have the assorted food containers. 30-piece set for $5.99. Look how pretty these are. Appetizer plates and serving plates for Easter. Those are beautiful. We've got some storage canisters. Really nice. I love the brown sugar ones. I think I actually should get a new one. We got the glass mixing bowl sets with the lids. We got bakeware, a lot of it in beautiful pastel colors. So we got some cookie sheets, the muffin pans. We got some loaf pans, cake pan, the square cake pan. We've got some of the silicone ones. These are actually not my favorite. What do you think of them? We've got the silicone on the baking mat and the bread pan. We've got some saute pan and a 2-pack on the fry pan. We've got some silicone utensils, all different kinds. There's just so much this week. We've got some tablecloths, 2 different sizes. Those are the colors that are available. We've got some round tablecloths as well as some table runners. We've got these super cute silverware for the kids. Those are in the characters. We got the character plates, also adorable. We've got the sippy cups in the characters. These bar carts are really cute. They're a nice size too if you don't have a lot of space. The patio string chair, those are so beautiful. And that's a great price. We have the rain chains. These are so beautiful. We have this is gorgeous. This rattan storage table. That is gorgeous. Here's some really cool looking planters. We've got the shepherd's hook and some clematis. I really want to grow some clematis. Every year I say it. Here are some more potting essential items and non-essential items, but so happy you can get them at Aldi. We've got some spring bulbs. We have these mini wreaths. So these are the mini ones. I love putting those on my kitchen cabinet doors. So cute. We've got the assorted hanging baskets. We've got, oh, look at this. We're going to have starter plants, right? I can't believe it. Banana pepper, bell pepper, cucumber, tomatoes. We got some beautiful bouquets. We've got the Peeps Easter bath bombs. How cute are those? We've got these, oh, the Amazing Egg Decorator kits are the best. If you've not tried it, get it. They are so fun. And we have the Easter egg dyeing kits. We've got some Peeps chalk. We've got some activity eggs. Those are super cute. We've got some 3D kites. Look how awesome those are. We've got some mini footballs and a mini soccer ball. So all great stuff for the Easter baskets. The Kringles. We're going to have the almond and the raspberry. So excited for the Kringles. If you haven't tried it, try it. We have the spring shape on the chicken nuggets. How cute are those? These look delicious. So 2 pancake mixes, a blondie, and 2 blondie mixes. And these campfire egg swirlers. How cool are those? I want to make a s'mores with them. Let me know what you're most excited for. Give me all the likes, love, comments, whatever you can. I totally appreciate it. I don't know why. My videos are not really getting seen, so anything you can do to help me, I will love you forever. I appreciate every bit of it. I will see you Wednesday with the in-store peek of all these items. Have a great week, everyone.